Hello guys, welcome to Educate Andhra. Myself is Prabhakar. In this video, we are going to discuss about logical AND operator in Databricks using the PySpark code. Okay, so we have a table called orders. Using the orders table, we are going to create the data frame by using spark.read method, and the data frame name is orders.df. So using this orders.df, we can display the table's data using .show method. Let me execute this run cell command. So the data will be displayed on the screen like a table. So now we have multiple columns, status column, payment method column, quantity column, and so on. Now we are going to add one more cell below, insert cell below. So here write orders underscore dot df dot filter. Using the filter function, we can filter the data. Again we have to use orders df dot status. Okay, here right we put status is equal to delivered, and in the end keep dot show. Okay, perfect. So let me execute this method or the script. Cannot, so it should be double equal to. So let me execute the script again. Now we can see only delivered orders from the table. So the other orders will be filtered out. So now we can see all the delivered orders. But our requirement is use the AND operator. Let's say we need both status of delivered orders as well as payment method is equal to UPI. So we need to keep one more condition here by using AND operator. So orders dot df dot payment method is equal to UPI. Okay, but don't forget to put this conditional statements inside the brackets, otherwise we'll get errors in the code. Now let me execute a run cell. So now we have only status delivered and payment method is UPI. So by using the AND operator, we can make a multiple conditions on the data frame like a table in a SQL. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. We'll catch up in the next video.